Hi everyone, it's Lee here. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and today we're doing another episode of the Margarete Miller Weekly Collage Challenge. We're up to week 39. So the prompts for this week are a fragrant plant, and I have a lavender that I painted with watercolors on some book page, so I'm going to pop that in. And I have a video showing how I painted these flowers. If you want to have a look, there's a link up in the top right hand corner. Something local, I'm not going to use that. I'm going to use the bonus, which is a form. I've got one of these table docket things from a restaurant. An animal with long ears. I found a picture of this jackrabbit which has enormous ears, so he can go in there. Something that makes you happy. This is a scrap of a letter that was sent to me by somebody, and just this particular sentence says, "I love playing with paper." So that makes me happy. Something found in the mountains, well, I'm sure you'd find some mushrooms. So that's what's going into my collage for week 39. If you want to find all the videos for the people that are taking part in this, you just need to look for this hashtag and whatever week it is. So it'd be hashtag 2023 CWP and 39 for this week. So anyone who's done a video for week 39, it will come up under that. Alrighty, so I have glues, got some scissors, got some ink, so I'm going to just crack on with this, and I'm using another folded page in my book. So I have last week's over here. So that was what I did for last week. So I'm going to use that page, and I'm firstly going to stick down my piece of book page with the lavender on it, and I'm going to remove all those white edges. So I've just used a ruler and I've torn all the white around that away, and I've got my table thing, restaurant, whatever it is, I'm not sure what you call them. So I've just torn part of that off. I don't want to use the whole thing, so I'm just going to use part of that, and I might even tear that down a little bit more, maybe put it under. Just going to take the bottom off a little bit more, maybe put it like that over here, maybe. Let's move this over, just looking for a nice balanced sort of composition, and the rabbit could sit there. And that is a washi sticker, this, so it is slightly transparent, so even if it went there it would be fine. And then my little bit of letter can go there, and then I'll add some, perhaps a few splatters, as I like to do. So first thing I'm going to do is just move these bits away and glue down this piece. So how's everyone going? Hope you're all well. Have you been able to get much crafting done lately? I guess if you're on the other side of the world, you're starting to get into your cooler weather now. So I've got a few things on the go, and already a few craft alongs videos on my channel. So if you're looking for something to do, you're looking for some sort of inspiration, have a look and see what you can find there. You might be surprised by what you find. So we're well into spring now, about halfway through the first month of spring, and yesterday was really hot, and today is not. Today is overcast and windy, and you know, like showers of rain just coming out of nowhere, raining for a few minutes and then just disappearing as fast as they arrived. Okay, so I've got my two first elements in there. A big lump of glue under that. There we go, squeeze it out. Okay, now I'm thinking that I want the mushroom behind to go behind anything else. So I know I was going to put it over here, but now I'm thinking maybe I want the rabbit to go in front of the mushroom, not I don't know what I mean. I'd like to see the mushroom recessed a little bit into the background. I'm just going to pull that bit up. Now I've got to get this off. Okay, so we're going to put the mushroom down here. That form back over the top. Now if I burnish that with my bone folder, I should be able to almost get, you know, make that disappear in to the background. When I say that, I'm talking about the white edge around the mushroom. Looks like an overlap sort of thing. Okay. So far so good. And then I can put my rabbit, my jackrabbit, can just sit down there. So is anybody working on any big projects at the moment? I still haven't finished that journal that I started about 6 months ago. That's sort of just, it probably wasn't that long ago, it just feels like it, but it was just like once Junk Journal July started, that was the end of everything else, nothing else got done. I like that there, and I think it needs to have a piece of paper behind it of some sort, like maybe a piece of brown paper or something. I'm going to just stick it on a piece of the edging, which will do nicely, and then I'll trim around that and ink it possibly. Trim that. I quite like that across the bottom. Yeah, I'm going to put it across the bottom. I was going to put it up the side, but it's like it's giving the rabbit something to sit on. This is art glitter glue. That's just in a little squeezy bottle that I bought from the $2 shop. And I'm using art glitter because there's a couple of layers there and I don't trust the glue stick to hold. So there's that. and I just think that it needs something around the edge. So I'm going to get a gel pen and I'm just going to do a little bit of doodling around the edge of it. So we've got a gold gel pen there. And also got a black liner. I'm not sure if this still works, but I'll start with the gold. So I'm just going to rule some lines just to begin with. Okay, so I've just got a little gold border around it so far, and now I'm just going to do just some little leafy sort of pattern, like a vine. Let's see if I can get this black pen to make some marks. That might too. I'm just going to go around the rabbit. And I think some black dots would look nice on that. I've just got a little bit of black drawing ink on there, and I'm just going to put a wet brush into it and just splatter some black dots here and there. And I think that'll do. Just zoom in a bit. What do you think? Do you like it? I love the simplicity of it. I'm really happy with it. Let me know in the comments what you think or what you'd have done differently. So I've got my fragrant plant, which is the lavender. Something local I haven't used, but I've used the bonus, which was the form, and that was that guest check docket thing that I tore up. An animal with long ears is my rabbit. Something that makes me happy is I love playing with paper. Something found in the mountains is mushrooms, and the form is my bonus. So let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up, a thumbs down if you don't like it, and let me know why. Share the video with your friends and family. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already subscribed to the channel. Leave a comment, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much for watching. It's been a pleasure to bring this to you. Hugs and cheers from Australia. Hooroo!